Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to cancel any subscriptions on your Android mobile device. So please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Play Store on your phone, like so, and then click into your profile. Should be located top right hand corner of your screen, which will bring up more settings. And on this page here where it says payments and subscriptions, click into that. And then under payment methods, subscriptions, click into that. And right here would be all of your current subscriptions on your phone. So if you want to cancel any, just click into it and then click on cancel. And also here, it would show you all your expired subscriptions you've had as well. So yeah, that's it guys for this video. How to cancel any subscription on your Android device. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.